So last night we had a huge rainstorm, which was perfect timing because you can see on the large sample board, we're demoing 7 different species and how well this stuff works. So check out how pretty this will get. Look at the beauty in that piece. Is that coming in all right?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
It's not even sanded yet. That is spectacular. There's a lot of information out there about whether you can leave wood uncoated or coated. And if you coat it with the right types of coatings, you really can make it last for decades longer. And if the wood lasts for decades longer, then we don't have to cut new trees down for decades. And that's important. So that's where Cutek comes in. It's a mineral oil product. So it doesn't have a food source like a vegetable oil does. It's not new to the market. It's new to North America. We've used it with great success. You can see how quickly and beautifully it'll accentuate the colors. It brings out the wood grain. This is Ayus. This is Korina, spelled K-O-R-I-N-A. This is for exterior siding. This is for exterior decking, and also the Korina can be used for interior flooring. It's not bad for the environment, and it really does repel water and weather. It conditions wood, it penetrates wood, it accentuates its beauty. It does everything that you would want from a coating, and it makes the wood last for decades.